How to recover deleted TikTok videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted videos from your TikTok profile. But there is one important catch. TikTok only stores deleted videos for 30 days. So if it has been longer than that, unfortunately, they are gone from the TikTok service. However, you might still find them in your phone gallery, especially if autosave was enabled. So now without further ado, let's get started with the steps. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Settings and Privacy. And now here, once you are inside the settings and privacy, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as Activity Center. And now here, once you are inside the Activity Center, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as Recently Deleted. So simply tap on that. And here, once you're inside the Recently Deleted, you will find the option or the video that you have deleted. So here you can simply open the video, and here if you want to restore the video, you can just tap on the restore button at the bottom of the screen and confirm it by tapping on restore again, and that's it. That's how you can recover deleted TikTok videos. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.